Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Val9003 issue for good. So to fix this issue for good, what you have to do is just simply go to your BIOS. And so how you're going to the BIOS, so in order for you to go to your BIOS, first of all you have to know what the key is on your keyboard to entering BIOS. So for example, in my Gigabytes motherboard, it is F8. So similarly, you can just simply search BIOS shortcut for your specified motherboard. Let's say MSI motherboard, and then just simply hit enter. Now, just by simply changing the name, you will know the shortcut key for your respective motherboard. So just simply find whichever shortcut goes for your motherboard. Then just simply go to your start icon, then go to your power and click restart. And while your system is booting up, start hitting that key on your keyboard and your BIOS should open. And from there, when you're in your BIOS, I'm going to show you what to do. So in my case, my motherboard is Gigabyte. So I will simply go to BIOS, and over there I will find secure boot. And then when you're on the secure boot, just simply click on there. So after disabling secure boot, what you have to do is just simply go to save and exit at the top right corner and click on save and exit setup, and then just simply do that and your computer will restart. And after the reboot, your issue should be fixed. I have also given the instruction in the description box for a few laptops and ASUS and MSI motherboard as well. So you can just simply follow the steps and you can do the exact thing on your system. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.